Let's talk sleeping bags. First and foremost, you need a good down bag. Synthetic won't cut it, it doesn't compress, it's generally not warm enough. So good down bag is great. This is my -40. I'll use this on Everest and in Antarctica, even sometimes on Denali. This is the Marmot Coombe. The Marmot Call -20 is a great option as well for peaks like Denali, not quite warm enough for Vincent in Antarctica though. Anyway, moving on, you want a nice snug cocoon design here so that you can cinch it up for maximum warmth. It's got to be big enough to fit your body. You don't want a lot of extra room in there. If you do, you're going to be cold. And if it's constricted, if it's too tight, you're going to be cold as well. So it's got to fit your body well. I like to have enough room in it to put my water bottles inside. That keeps them from freezing at night. But again, this is the Marmot Coombe, -40. On some of our other climbs like Mount Elbrus, you might be using a -10 or a 0-degree bag. Obviously not as warm as this, but similar design is ideal.